Okay, I gave you a little teaser about the Sealine S43 earlier in an earlier video. I promised you I'll give you a better tour. So we'll have a walk down, have a look at the sheer beauty of it, as I say. Anyway, she's the 2001 model. She's got nice high rails, wide deck, some pads that go on the front, but obviously we're in the 2nd of December, so we don't have that. She's got the full sliding roof for the sunny weather we do get on the Shannon. Do you believe me? So we just step on board. I'll show you just as we come back. She's got a very wide swim platform. She's got the ladder, she's got storage. This boat's on shafts, has trim tabs, so big engines in this one. They're 480 horsepower, big Volvos. So come aboard, we'll have a quick guided tour of the inside. So we're stepping off the rear platform here. As you can see, the canvas is in superb condition. It's only, I think it's only a couple of years old. So it's got great height as well when you come in, so you're not banging your head off it when you're sitting down. It has the bars that push it further out, so when you sit here, unfortunately the cushions and everything are gone away for storage for the winter, but we'll give you an idea. Anyway, to the rear here we have a lovely area where you can set up your barbecue. If you're, I'll just show you here, glass storage, bottle storage for the all-important summer drinks. You have storage here and here. Over here, get this out of the way, the boat was cleaned recently. We have a beer fridge, very important on any boat. So there's your wet bar for the summer. You also have a sink here, which is very handy, leaving the ice in. Lots of seating, as you can see. You've got a little table here for just sitting down, relaxing, read your book, drink your coffee in the mornings. As you can see, I'll go up this way and see if we can get a better shot of that. That's it. So you'll have to forgive me if I miss out on anything. We're starting this channel, so all the criticisms can come on the first one. So you've got a beautiful tea table here, fantastic inlay on it. Solid, absolutely amazing for evening dining. You've got lots of seating here. I'll just pull back this so you can see that this has absolutely beautiful. So it's covered in Silvertex, which is a really good fabric for boats, as you know, all know. So over here we have the helm, and we've got all the usual. She's electronic throttle, should I say. We have the trim tab operation there, superb. We can't really see out today because it's a bit of a frosty day, so windows are a little steamed up here, but you can get an idea. You've got all your equipment here, your trim tabs, as I say, your gauges for depth, speed, your Raymarine for your GPS system, autopilot. This boat has a list of things which I'll probably have to do separately. Your VHF radio there, storage here, which is locked at the minute. So we'll take a little stroll down here. Beautiful inlaid teak and holly with flooring and steps. This boat has, I'll show you now, it's a bit dark possibly in here. Now, beautiful cream leather in absolutely mint condition, and that area there is just beautiful for sitting in the evenings. You'll be able to see we have all the control panels here for all your power, your AC, and all the switches for the equipment, for water pumps, the whole lot. Really easy, all marked out. I mean, the woodwork in this boat, just look at this. I mean, this high gloss finish is just incredible. This was typical of Sealine. You have storage absolutely everywhere. Let's just get that down. But Sealine were famous for all of this, because I break everything, for their craftsmanship. Okay, this boat has a generator. You can see here the shore power generator all there. It also has, which is quite rare in Ireland, it has reverse cycle air conditioning, which also produces the heat. So the heating in this boat is absolutely second to none. I mean, you could use this boat all year round. Obviously, at the moment, we'll just show you the galley area. She's got the little frost heater in her, a dehumidifier. There's also one down between the engines at the moment. The boat's not winterized yet. There's your TV, so when you're sitting down here on your beautiful couch in the evenings, you can disappear down and watch it with your movies. Other big thing here, dishwasher. There you go. There's a bonus on any boat. Beautiful. And is in regular use. Microwave. 3-ring hob. Obviously electric. Great size fridge. So for those extended weekends or weeks, you could spend weeks on this boat, I can tell you. There's storage absolutely everywhere. I won't open everything, but there's absolutely storage everywhere. Going forward to the VIP cabin, look at that. Island bed. Absolute amazing space. Every bit of space is used cleverly on this boat. You have your, area here for keeping your jewellery, your whatever you want to keep in it. I try not to get into the video. There's mirrors everywhere. Your heat controls here. You've got double wardrobe this side, which is fantastic. The head height, you can't see me, but I'm not going to turn the camera around because you probably don't want to see me. So double wardrobe, great hanging space in that. I don't know whether this video is going to do it. Just the lighting's not great today. You have access here too. This is where the cushions are stored. So this is a shower room, right? Not a toilet, shower room. So full shower. And then on the other side of this room, we have the toilet and sink. That can also be accessed from the main saloon. I'll show you that now. Look at that floor. It's just incredible. This boat just outclasses. The standard is huge. There's the other entrance into the toilet. So that's your guest toilet for daytime. And moving aft into the master cabin. So we step down, and in this cabin, I'll just show you from this angle here. There is your island bed. Okay, you can walk around both sides of the bed because they've raised the centerpiece is low because of upstairs, but then you can walk around here with full height. You can sit down on the couch. Then you have side lockers, you have wardrobe. Now this also has a vanity area, more wardrobes. I'll just show you. It has the little couch here for chilling out. If you want to disappear from everyone. You have an escape hatch there, which gives great light into the room as well. And this has its own ensuite. So you have the pull-out shower there. Plenty of space in this room. Toilet, electric toilets. This boat just the list. I could go on and on and on, and there is a list. You've got controls in here for your air conditioning and heating as well, separate to the saloon. So it can be controlled in the evening times for here. We'll step back up. The humidifier is working away. You've got skylights here for extra light. You've got an escape hatch and skylight there. They have blackout blinds on them. There's beautiful blinds all over the boat. You can see that this boat has been maintained incredibly well by its previous owners. We at Shannon Boat Sales are very proud to say that we handled the brokerage sale of this boat. It's with its new owners now, and it's also on a full management package with Shannon Boat Sales. So we will hope to, or endeavour to, keep it as well as it is. We'll be looking after everything on it going forward. So we'll just come up here, and its the new owners are very excited about it. Even though they only took delivery of it 2 weeks ago, they'll get to use it in the summer. It's ready to go. She's staying in the water. She's had everything done to her. She's been anti-fouled. So that is the Sealine S43. So if you guys out there have anything to say about it, let me know. And you can comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. There'll be plenty more boats coming up. This is just an example of what we sold. We've a number of boats coming on in January, which we'll also do video tours of. So thank you.